Hello dear customer, this is our QLQ ironing machine before dyeing, and this machine can produce 6 tape zipper. The output of this machine, when machine reach 40 Hz, 1 tape zipper, the output is 1200 meters per hour and stay at oven 2 minutes. When the machine reach 50 Hz, 1 zipper tape, the output is 1400 meters per hour. We stay at oven 2 minutes. And the machine size, you can see the machine is very large. The machine length is about 8 meters and the width is 1.86 meters and the machine height is 3.3 meters. So now I would like to share you this machine functions. The first function is that the machines can make the zipper drying, ironing and forming. The second function is that the machine can remove the oil. How to remove the oil? You can see this device. The exhaust gas will, with the void, will go through these 2 tubes. And this device will turn the oil molecules. So the oil will go in down these 2 tapes and collect in this bucket. So this oil can use for another function. For example, you can use for the combing machine, cold forming machine, white stamping machine, which machine needs the oil. Also, it can also use for the lubricating oil. And for the oil, 1 ton zipper can remove about 8 kilograms oil. Third function is that this machine has reed-shrink function. The reed-shrink rate tape is about 3 to 6%. Nylon zipper is about 2 to 4%. For example, when the zipper go inside this machine is 100 centimeters. When the zipper go out of the machine, it will become 96 to 98 centimeters. And if zipper after these 2 sets machine, ironing machine before dyeing and ironing machine after dyeing, and showing to the garment, when the garment is ironed by ironing machine of high temperature washing, the zipper shrink problem will be controlled inside 0.2 to 0.6%. The fourth function is that the machines can reduce the bobbing hole pressing mark. Zipper after this machine ironing, when it goes to dyeing, the pressing marks during the dyeing process will be less so much than the zippers without ironing by this machine.